The big news in creative AI today is that ElevenLabs has announced that they are going to be entering the AI music generation space up against SUNO and Udio and all the others. And there are demos out there floating around on the web, on X and other places that are pretty stinking good and definitely seem, at least at this point, to set it far above the other two in quality. But nobody really has access to it right now, although I have submitted my request. So as soon as I do get access, I'll definitely be sharing it here. But when I was looking to see if I had access to it in ElevenLabs, I discovered their new feature called the Voiceover Studio. Maybe you got an ElevenLabs account gathering dust somewhere because you haven't checked in on it lately and you don't know about Voiceover Studio. Voiceover Studio allows you to add multiple characters to an existing video with any of the voices that you have in your ElevenLabs library and any that you can create as you go through the project, but you can also add multiple layers of sound effects. What they've done is created sort of a video editor inside ElevenLabs. To be able to show it to you, we need to create some sort of a video that needs a voiceover. I'm going to pop over to a service called Bool. I've got a full video on this service coming up, so I'm going to walk through the entire thing. In essence, it allows you to create videos in a variety of ways, and today we're going to use the idea to video. All I'm really trying to do is to create a video that then we can add voiceover to along with sound effects when we get it into ElevenLabs. But let's just create the video now. So I'm just going to create some random thing. Bob and Tracy, based on a true story, are visiting the zoo. They see many exotic animals along with all the animals like tigers, bears, and elephants that you normally see. There is talk of a big storm coming. Now, I do not expect this to generate a story that is consistent with this. I'm clearly just throwing a bunch of random stuff in there just to get a series of images. So once I click that prompt, I'm going to say a maximum duration of 30 seconds, which is fine for our demonstration here. I'm going to give it an aspect ratio of landscape because we're here on YouTube. And we'll go with the English language for now, and I will click generate. So then it goes through the process of generating the script, adding subtitle and voiceovers, and then generating the final video. So it's done and it's loading into the editor here, and that took about 45 seconds to create. You'll see that it's broken our video up into scenes and assigned video or images to it, and written a script and assigned voiceover.
Join us as we explore a captivating zoo experience with Bob and Tracy.
In the video where I really dig into Bool, I'll show you how you can change out the images, change out the voices, change the music, and do all of that stuff. But in our case, what we really want to do is edit in the timeline, because we're going to delete everything that isn't the video. So the video's on the bottom track here. I'm just going to select all of the content on the top 3 tracks and click the delete key, and that's it. Now I've got a 25-second video of just random animals. I did this just so I would have something to demonstrate this process with. So I'm going to say the export took about a minute to do. Click download. And now once I have that file, I'll head over to ElevenLabs. In ElevenLabs, there is a new icon. Voiceover Studio. Let's click that. Upload a video to add a voiceover and sound effects with our new Voiceover Studio. So let's just drag that video we made in Bool video and then click create. Give it a name, Animal Parade, and then click create studio. Okay, so here's our video up here. We have a timeline. We have no script and no audio source. As we add new voices and sound effects, we can add more and more tracks and layer them. Now what we need to do is to create some voiceover for this. So I'm just going to create a dialogue of 2 people talking about what they're seeing. First of all, on this track, I'll choose a speaker from my list. I'll choose Bob Upbeat for speaker 1. I will add a voiceover track and then choose Tracy as voice number 2. And now you'll see as I move around, I have that little green box, and wherever I click, a box forms and I can put more text. Let me just get rid of that for right now. Let's go back to this first audio source and just click a script. Hi everyone, I'm Bob. Click generate audio, and in just a few seconds we have this.
Hi everyone, I'm Bob.
Okay, now that was a little fast. I can regenerate if I think it's too fast and just play it again.
Hi everyone, I'm Bob.
That's great. And now on the second, and then click stop. And now I'm going to have Tracy come in and just click right here where I want her to talk and say, and I'm Tracy. Generate audio. So now we have,
hi everyone, I'm Bob.
And I'm Tracy.
So that was a little quick for Tracy. So I'm going to zoom in here by clicking Alt and scroll wheel, and then just move this over. So now,
hi everyone, I'm Bob.
And I'm Tracy.
Okay, let me just add the next line for Bob. Today, we're taking a look at very big dogs. Generate audio, click down here. We'll listen.
And today we're taking a look at very big dogs.
All right. And then I'll respond with Tracy. Bob, that's a peacock.
Bob, that's a peacock.
And then I'll respond with, well, before it was a big brown dog. These audio clips generate in just a couple of seconds.
Peacock.
Well, before it was a big brown dog.
I didn't like that one. I'm regenerate. I can click right here.
Well, before it was a big brown dog.
That still seems fast. I'm going to right mouse click and I'm going to click generate audio with dynamic duration.
Well, before it was a big brown dog.
And the pacing gets a little better. It's magic. Now, while this conversation's going on, we can have sound effects going in the background. Because we have multiple tracks, let's just try a couple of things. We're actually going to generate the sound effects with text prompts. We're going to click on add sound effect track, and right here at the beginning, I'll put outdoor nature sound and just see what it gives us and how long of a clip it gives us. Okay, pretty long clip, 11 seconds. Let's listen.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bob.
And I'm Tracy.
And today we're taking a look at very big dogs.
So it's raining and it's a little loud. Now I can change the volume by selecting the clip and bringing it down.
Bob.
But it's not raining in any of these videos, so let's take that out and let's be more specific. We'll go back to the beginning here. Click in the sound effects track. We will say birds chirping crickets. Birds chirping crickets. Let's just see what it gives us.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bob.
And I'm Tracy.
And today we're taking a look at very big dogs.
Bob. That's a peacock.
Well, before
Okay, so we've got that going in the background. We can change the length of this by just dragging on it. However, when you do that, it lowers the pitch,
it was a big brown dog.
which actually sounds like crickets at night. I actually like that. I think I might keep it. So this whole track is 25 seconds. I'm gonna stretch it. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna lower the volume because we don't want it overtaking everything. Go back to the beginning.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bob.
And I'm Tracy.
And today we're taking a look at very big dogs.
Bob. That's a peacock.
Well, before it was a big brown dog.
And now we'll get back to Tracy. Actually, it was a bear. Ha ha. I'm gonna just try something. Laughing. I don't think it's gonna work. Funny. I think I know a bear when I see one. Let's see what happens with the laughing.
Bear.
Laughing funny, I think.
Okay, that doesn't work. Take that off. Let's see what happens if I type ha-ha.
Haha. Funny, I think I know a bear when I see one.
I'm going to try it again.
Haha. Funny, I think I know a bear when I see one.
Okay, I don't like that. Now, okay, I don't like the laughing. I'm going to take that right out. So if we click this settings icon, then we have our stability and similarity and style. If I wanted to lower the stability a little bit, maybe play with the style and see if I can get a little bit more animated out of my speaking. We'll listen here. You'll notice that whenever you make a change, this word stale appears. And that basically means that you need to regenerate this audio. In this case, I changed information about the entire track. If you change information about just this particular piece of audio, then you'll need to do it. And to do that, you can click this little recycle icon, for lack of a better word, for each clip, or you can just go over here and click Generate Stale Audio, and it will regenerate all of those.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bob.
And I'm Tracy.
And today we're taking a look at very big dogs.
Bob. That's a peacock.
Well, before it was a big brown dog.
Now, just for grins, let's go back and we'll add a sound effects track. And where I say big brown dog.
And today we're taking a look at very big dogs.
So right here, I'm going to see if we can generate a bear growling sound effect. Bear growling. Generate audio. It's here.
Bob. That's
Okay, so I'm going to move that over just a bit. I'm going to take the volume down.
Big dogs.
Bob. That's
Now I think I want to move this. Let that growl a little bit. Scooch all this over. Let's see where we're at.
Big dogs.
Bob. That's
How about if I extend this a little bit? It'll lower it and make it seem a little bit more ominous.
Dogs.
Bob. That's a peacock.
Well, before it was a big brown dog.
I wonder what a peacock sounds like. Let's see if it knows. Peacocks chirping? Squawking? Peacocks. I don't know.
Well, before it was a big brown.
I don't like that. Generate it again.
Before it was a big brown dog.
Actually,
Okay,
it was
I think that's a peacock. I've seen a peacock before in real life. I'm going to lower the volume of that peacock, though,
a peacock.
Well, before it was a big.
and bunch that up next to where she says peacock.
That's a peacock.
Well, before it was a big brown dog.
Actually, it was a bear.
And then, to be hilarious, we'll copy the exact same bear growl. Maybe we can copy, I'm guessing. Copy. Ooh, look at that. And drop it there. Works as expected.
Dogs.
Bob. That's a peacock.
Well, before it was a big brown dog.
Actually, it was a bear.
Oh, real funny. I think I know a bear when.
Let's get this volume down correctly. Put this in the right spot.
It was a bear.
Oh, real funny. I think I know a bear when I see one.
Let's bring in a third character, and we will have him come in right here. We will choose the voice of Adam, who I believe you will all recognize. Hey, you two, stop being a couple idiots.
Hey, you two. Stop being a couple of idiots.
And then I'll say, hey, aren't you the TikTok guy? And then Tracy will say, yeah, I recognize you. We didn't even mention the Dolphins. All right, let's get some dolphin sound effects in here. Where do they come in? Let's drag along the dolphins. They're after the peacocks.
It's a big brown dog.
Actually, it was a bear.
Get some dolphins here on the sound effects track. Instead of the second bear, this will be dolphins. Dolphins talking and generate.
Actually, it was a bear.
Oh, real funny.
Wait, was that a dolphin?
Actually, it was a bear.
Oh, real funny. I think I know a bear.
It is a dolphin, but we're regenerating it. It's a dolphin talking. That is exactly what I said, actually. I wanted to go squeak, 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 but it actually did give me a dolphin talking.
It was a
English.
bear.
Oh, real funny. I think I know a bear when I see.
Needs to be quieter. Now you'll notice, of course, we don't have all sorts of tools like pan left and right and reverb and EQ and the ability to fade any of this, but it still gives you the ability to assemble all of these tracks. So of course, what I'm fully expecting is when the music functionality is released, that will be a button down here and we'll be able to generate our own music.
Hey, you two. Stop being a couple of idiots.
Hey, aren't you the TikTok guy?
Yeah, I recognize you.
And this man thinks he's getting a good workout.
And this man thinks he's getting a good workout.
What are you even talking about? This is a nature show where we focus solely on big dogs.
What are you even talking about? This is a nature show where we focus solely on big dogs.
And peacocks.
Dogs.
And peacocks.
Now you'll notice that it still says first speaker, new voiceover speaker, and best practice obviously would be to come over here and name these things properly. So I'm Bob, and then Tracy, and then this is Adam. Now this is way more easily identifiable up here. Let's just see what happens if I play.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bob.
And I'm Tracy.
And today we're taking a look at very big dogs.
Bob, that's a peacock.
And this man thinks he's getting a good workout.
What are you even talking about? This is a nature show where we...
Okay, right there where the cops show up, we're gonna have Tracy go. Let's find that. She's going to interrupt. I need to pay attention to what's going on in the video.
talking about. This is a nature show where we focus solely on big...
All right, so that doesn't work because that's the police there. So I'm going to move that.
Good workout.
Hey, do you hear sirens? We're going to put some sirens in here to get ready for the cops to be here. So let's start to make some sense. I want that to happen before they show up. So that's about right. That here. And then on the sound effects track, put police sirens. They don't even go that long. So let's see, we need those to be for the police car. So I'm sure it's too loud, so I'm going to bring the volume down.
Hey, do you hear sirens?
And peacocks.
What are you even talking about? This is a nature...
All right, wait, these don't make any sense anymore. Those are gone. Goodbye.
Hey, do you hear sirens?
And is that how it ends? Okay. That's how it ends. So we don't need all this extra. If we grab the end of the clip, we're actually changing the speed. So we don't want to do that. Let me undo. What we want to do is click the trim tool. And now when we move this, we're actually trimming it and not changing the length or the pitch of it. So we're going to take this to where the video actually ends. Seems to stop moving right about there. And we'll just trim this here. And let's see how we can end this up.
Good workout.
Hey, do you hear sirens?
Yeah. Did someone call the police? I don't think Tracy'd say the cops. And then Adam needs to say, I'm out of here.
A good workout.
Hey, do you hear sirens?
Yeah, did someone call the police?
I'm out of here.
Okay. I'm going to leave that how it is because it's funny. I'm going to lower the pitch a little bit. It seems like I need to raise the volume of me saying, did somebody call the police? We've got a few things saying stale here. I'm not sure why. There isn't a generate stale audio here, so I guess I would need to go into each individual track. This is the music track we stretched out, and I'm not sure if I did the regenerate after that, and I'm not sure what will happen if I do. So let's do. And we don't want that because it just regenerated at its normal size. So I'm going to click Control Z and undo that, and we get it right back. I'm not going to change any of these because I don't want anything to change. I think I'm fine with things how they are. So now let's listen to the beginning and see what we need to add.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bob.
And I'm Tracy.
And today we're taking a look at very big dogs.
Bob, That's a peacock.
Well, before it was a big brown dog.
Actually, it was a bear.
Oh, real funny. I think I know a bear when I see one.
Hey, you two. Stop being a couple of idiots.
Hey, aren't you the TikTok guy?
Yeah, I recognize you.
And this man thinks he's getting a good workout.
Hey, do you hear sirens?
Yeah, did someone call the police?
I'm out of here.
Okay, that's just weird, bizarre, but it does show you the features. Now down here, if we click on the plus sign, we get to choose target languages. So let's say we want to take this whole thing and make it French. I'm going to click on Add Language, and you'll see in the background it has created duplicate tracks and muted the previous tracks. So now we've got a lot of stale audio that needs to be regenerated. I'm going to go ahead and click this, but this is going to generate all of the spoken tracks, but now in French. You can see that it's translated all of the dialogue up here, and it's already done. So let's go back to the beginning.
Salut tout le monde, je suis Bob.
Et moi, c'est Tracy.
Et aujourd'hui, nous examinons de très grands chiens.
All right, so what's happened is the French needs more syllables to say the same thing that I did, so it sounds very rushed. And that's when we can go in and right-click and say Generate Audio Dynamic Duration. And then that way it'll make it sound a lot more naturally paced. But then you may have to readjust things on the timeline, which is fine. So I've messed around with volumes with various pieces of this, moved things around. Let's just export the video. By clicking export, I've got it set for French and I've moved everything around in French, so I'm going to export it in French. And before I view that, I'm going to go back and render out the English. Literally, my camera was blocking the controls to switch between the original and the French translations. It's not about muting one or the other, it's about choosing from right up here. So I'm going to move the English tracks so that they line up with the French tracks, see if that works. It seems like maybe just the beginning was the one that was a little off. I'm just moving everything to line up with what we just did in French.
Hi everyone, I'm Bob.
And I'm Tracy.
And today we're taking a look at very big dogs.
Bob, that's a peacock.
Well, before it was a big brown dog.
Actually, it was a bear.
Or it was a big brown dog.
Actually, it was a bear.
Oh, real funny. I think I know a bear when I see one.
Hey, you two. Stop being a couple of idiots.
Okay, I'm still just tweaking the volume with this, and now I will export this in English. We'll take a look at it.
Hi everyone, I'm Bob.
And I'm Tracy.
And today we're taking a look at very big dogs.
Bob, that's a peacock.
Well, before it was a big brown dog.
Actually, it was a bear.
Oh, real funny. I think I know a bear when I see one.
Hey, you two. Stop being a couple of idiots.
Hey, aren't you the TikTok guy?
Yeah, I recognize you.
And this man thinks he's getting a good workout.
Hey, do you hear sirens?
Yeah, did someone call the police?
I'm out of here.
Well, that's an initial look at this tool. I just discovered it literally hours ago, and I wanted to share it with you. And I think with a little forethought and some planning, you could create something really cool with this in a pretty short amount of time. There are definitely features I didn't cover because I haven't even fully explored them yet, but I wanted to show you at least the basic functionality so that if you have an ElevenLabs account and you weren't aware of this and you wanted to play with it, you had enough information to go in there and start doing that. If this is the kind of stuff you like to learn about, I invite you to subscribe to the channel because this is what we discuss all the time.
If you subscribe now, I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you do not, I will look for you. I will find you. And I